I'm Justin, founder of Rhino Skin Solutions. We've been around for almost 11 years now. We make topical performance products. We started by climbers. I'm a climber for my whole life. And we are just trying to branch out and show people the awesome products we have. Full lineup, skincare, body care products. We have a all natural bug spray called Skeeter Scatter. We have an antiperspirant for hands and feet, non-aluminum. We have a hyaluronic acid hydrating spray if you have like super dry skin where you just like open your hands and you're like, oh my God, it's so dry. It's just spray on, smells really nice and just gets that like instant relief. Moving on from that, we have a Split Plus. It's a really thick cream to help with super chapped, abused skin where it's like really dry and it just really like rough. Repair cream, everyday skin conditioner. It's got salicylic acid, willow bark, menthol, peppermint, tea tree oil, lavender, just packed with good plants. It's anti-inflammatory, a little bit analgesic, really helps your skin just be flexible and healthy. We have a massage cream. I call it curry for your body. Feels really good. It's warming. It helps really relieve shoulders and back muscles and knees. Capsaicin, clove, ginger, turmeric, black pepper. So it is like quite spicy. And then we have a cleansing spray for when you're camping or after a long, hard day at work. Spray it on, wipe it off with whatever you got. It's got tea tree oil in there and lemongrass. It's really nice and refreshing. And then we have one more product, Split, right here. It's a balm. If you have like open cuts and cracks, that's the thing to use. It's got dragon's blood in there, which helps be a antibacterial agent. It helps bring blood to the open wound to help heal it. Yeah, that's kind of what we got, and we're just here to kind of share with people. We got samples for everybody, and rhinoskinsolutions.com. You can find us everywhere.
All right. And is Rhino Skin Solutions also where you go if you want to purchase this product online?
Yep, rhinoskinsolutions.com. That's a QR code. You can find us on Amazon, REI, and then probably 1,000 stores like rock climbing gyms and specialty stores worldwide.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Where are your products made?
Right here, about half a mile away. Redmond, Oregon. Everything you see here is made in small batches in Redmond. So one of the things that sets us apart is we don't use synthetic emulsifiers or preservatives. So like as we need to make product, we make it instead of a larger company that just buys like 1 million of something and then it just sits on the shelf until it sells. We sell it and then make it. We don't make it and sell it.
Okay. Cool.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.